Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day number 11 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. It's this cute little package, and maybe little packages have really great items. So let's see what's inside. Okay. So little, let's see. Only one little item. Okay. Oh, they're little labels, little woven labels by, let's see, Minky Kim labels. I think it says there's 9 in here. I'll go ahead and take them out of the packaging as well to show all of you. So it's sewingillustration.com if you want to go ahead and get some of these labels, or maybe Missouri Star has them as well. I'm not sure. I'll go ahead and check on that below. I'll go ahead and check on that and put it down below as well. Let's see. Okay, so cute. Oh, okay. Here's this label, made by, and then you go ahead and fold it in half. You can put it in binding or something like that. Beautiful things come together one stitch at a time. Little by little, a little becomes a lot. And another colorway of little by little, a little becomes a lot. Okay, these cute little scissors here, also double-sided. Double-sided rotary cutter. And a double-sided needle and thread. Let me know what you guys think down below of this bag. I'd love to know your thoughts, and I will see you tomorrow for day number 12.